My beautiful friends, welcome back everyone. It's so good to see you in my studio. Thank you so much for joining, for being my company. I'm back to painting yet again, another project with dots. This time it's also flower, but completely different to what we have done so far. We're gonna have leaves, stems, the shape of the flower, it's gonna be very much different. Please know that this is really super easy, simple, fast, a beautiful project for everyone. If you're not too confident with watercolors, look at my brush, grab some basic colors and just start with pulling your paint with water. That's all you have to do. Look, it's not even really looking as a flower per se. You really need a little bit of work around it to kind of envision it, because what I also love about this abstract flower, it's more like once you start adding details, once you start kind of pushing it in the look of a flower, you will believe, oh, it is a flower. Because in the reality, it is not as proper looking, or it is not as flower that it's from the book and I know the name of it. Quite opposite. It's abstract, it's from my mind, it's magical, it's whatever my brush actually created. Honestly, it's the way to go. I would love you to try it out. I would love you to just go for it, go with the flow, and just let your hand, let your brush, and then let your pen to just do the job for you. Try not to imagine anything. Try to just let go and allow the process itself kind of lead you, and that's all. And don't focus on, oh, this is not even, or this maybe leaf is not that straight as it should be, maybe too much paint here, too little paint here. Just go for it. Just allow yourself for mistake or for trial and for having a good time. It's a beautiful, wonderful way to relax, and it's also just a fantastic way to keep your mind occupied, to keep your mind sane, and to be happy. It's my art therapy. In the last weeks, it is my therapy, and it's fabulous. I couldn't be more grateful for the fact that I have my outlet here, not only on the YouTube channel, but on my desk with my paints. My gorgeous friends, thank you so much for joining this super quick little tutorial. It's like 3 minutes and it's doable. It's for you, I promise. Don't forget to check other videos. I'll be back sooner than you think. Check the Pilot GTEC C4 pen that I'm using right now. It's phenomenal. It's my go-to tool. I love it. You will love it, I promise. Have a wonderful day. Be happy. Be mindful of what you need, what you wish to do, and just go for it. Guys, enjoy your life. Enjoy your painting. I love you. Bye. Bye-bye.